Hi guys, welcome back to bestsublimation.tv. I'm Alex. Today I want to introduce to you our new machine, and it's now in this nice and beautiful box. Let's unbox it and see what it is. Now please meet our new portable Craft Express heat press, and it comes with a user manual and a tray to hold the machine and a support mat to support the item you want to print. Our Craft Express heat press comes in very portable size but with multiple functions. If you want to make some clothes at home to start a little sublimation business, or if you don't have a large workroom, or if you want to make things simpler and easier, this machine is very perfect for you. First, because it's very easy for new starters to use, very user-friendly, and it doesn't require other stuff, so you can use it on your own at home or workshop. And it's automatic, so you just need to do some parameter settings and then leave it all to the machine. Second, it can bring beautiful printout result by heating evenly and vibrating to generate proper pressure to transfer image onto the item. Third, it can also be an iron, and after printing you can use it to iron the clothes to make it look better. And this heat press can be used to print a wide range of products. For example, clothes, as I just mentioned. It can transfer your picture on sublimation paper, heat transfer films and papers, vinyls and stickers onto the fabric products such as t-shirts, tote bags, socks, and pillow covers. And also it can be used to sublimate some hard and flat stuff such as the sublimation puzzles, coasters, slates, and ceramic tiles. Because this heat press has 3 vibration modes, so you can adjust not only the printing time and the temperature, but also the pressure to print different items and different materials. Now you know all the functions of our Craft Express heat press. Are you interested in this amazing machine? If you want to know more information about it, and if you want to make your order, please send email to bestsublimation.tv. And if you want to know how to use this machine, please go to check our tutorial video. I have put the link on the description box and the comments below. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. And I'm Alex, hope to see you again in the tutorial video.